want to talk about the eye gaze feature on a wheelchair. Christy didn't use it as much as I thought she would. So we're going to go, and you get to driving it, and it's quite interesting. It's hard to drive. One of the first times I drove it was in a clinic, and I managed to put a hole all the way through the end of a bed that was sitting there. The foot of the bed. They go right through whatever's in their way. We're going to click over, and we're going to go to come on, why isn't it doing this? Well, we'll go up here and see if we can do it. This is the seating structure, and you can click through. That just lifts the bottom up and down. That lifts the feet up and down. That lifts the back. That lifts the back and the feet. And you can go all of the way back. I'm going to show you something that we did with that, which is pretty good. But we're going to go to just the seat. So with just the seat, we paid an extra $2,000. Insurance doesn't pay it. So you have to kind of think if you want it. But we got the eye gaze, or not the eye gaze, the eye level system in the chair. And it's just a system that raises the chair, and it'll raise the chair pretty high so that the individual in the chair can look at someone and they can look at them in the eye. It puts them up. They can look at the top of the counters. They can do lots of things with it. Like I say, Christy didn't use it nearly as much. I would say that it was not worth the $2,000 that we spent on it. And watch this. I'm going to go around so that she can see that better. How does that sound? The chair is actually very maneuverable when you actually figure out what it's doing. Anyway, that's the eye gaze. I'm not sure I would get it again. Your thought. This is Lee talking about the eye gaze.